In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Salesforce. This is a straightforward process that will have you accessing your Salesforce account in no time. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a little refresher, I've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First off, let's start by assuming you've already completed your Salesforce registration. Once you have your account all set up, the next step is to log in. To get started, open your preferred web browser. In this example, I'll be using Google Chrome, but feel free to use the browser that you find most comfortable. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar. You'll want to type in Salesforce Login and hit Enter. This should bring up a page with various links, but the one you want is the official Salesforce Login page. Click on that link and you should find yourself on the Salesforce Login screen. Now that you're on the login page, you'll see prompts for both your username and your password. Here, you'll need to type in your credentials. Make sure to enter your username correctly, as it's easy to mix up letters or numbers if you're in a hurry. The same goes for your password. Accuracy is key here. Once you've carefully entered your username and password, click the Login button. This is usually found directly below the fields where you entered your information. Now, at this point, Salesforce might ask you to verify your identity through a code. This is a common security measure, so don't worry. It's just a way to ensure that your account remains secure. If you receive a prompt for a verification code, open the email account that you registered with Salesforce. You should see an email from them containing the code you need. Grab that code, head back to the Salesforce login page, and enter it in the verification field. It's a simple process that only takes a few seconds, but it's essential for keeping your information safe. And if you don't see a request for a verification code, no problem. That just means Salesforce has recognized your device from previous logins. In this case, you can proceed with logging in as usual. So there you have it. You've successfully logged into your Salesforce account. It's as straightforward as that. Checking your login information carefully and being prepared for a verification code are key steps to make sure you have a seamless experience. I hope this tutorial was simple and easy to follow. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to come back for more useful tips in the future.